The business module Canva of Tech Mahindra, a global technology and IT service company, would outline its key components below and detailed representation of how the Tech Mahindra business company value propositions, digital transformation, empowering businesses to adopt new digital technologies, end-to-end IT services. Comprehensive IT supports include consulting, implementation and management, cost optimization, solutions that improves efficiency and reduce operational cost, innovation focus, industry specified solutions leveraging emerging technologies, customer centric approach, customizable and scalable solutions tailored to clients' needs. Channels, direct sales teams, global accounts, managers, and regional sales terms, partnerships and alliances, collaborations with technology provides Microsoft, Oracle, and etc. like sort of companies, online presence, website, webinars, and digital marketing for brand visibility, industry events, participation in trade shows, conferences, and expos, customer supports,
Human capital, skilled workforce in IT data analysis, AI and consulting. Technological infrastructure, priorities, platforms and center and R&D facilities. Global network, office and delivery center worldwide. Partnership, relationship with technological providers and innovation hubs. Brand reputation, establish credits in service and consulting. Key activities, software development, custom solutions and off center. R&D and innovation developing cutting edge solution, scale and marketing client acquisition and brand promoting, IT support, maintaining and enhancement of brain system, training and upskilling continuous skill development for employees. அவ்வளோதான்டா.
Employee of the salary, sanification involves skill of workplace, technology and R&D, strength, platform development, information management, the code of the data centers, marketing of the scale and marketing of the scale, brand of the promotion of the effect, partnership, customer and the license and consultation fees.
Customer relationship, dedicated account management, presentation assistant to key enterprise client, completion approach, elaborate planning and development, 24/7 support, technical assistant and maintenance service, co-innovation, working with client to create solutions.